All right, back with the good dogs. Here you go, Klein. Little piece of bacon for you. Didn't even try. Baby Gee, glad to see your faces looking better. All right, guys, what are we doing today? We're doing some kind of ranch shrimp mushrooms. I love portobello mushrooms. This is going to be great. Got some colossal pink shrimp, sustainably wild caught. Bacon, green onions, some cheddar cheese over there. Portobello mushrooms. And, of course, we got the Grill Mates by McCormick. We're going to be using the Alabama barbecue seasoning. Already putting that on the shrimp. Bacon's already been smoked. That was from a few days ago. So we're going to smoke the shrimp, chop it up, mix all this stuff together with the cheese, and slap it on the mushrooms and go on the grill. Next thing I'm going to do is get those ready, and I'm going to de-gill those mushrooms. I think I've showed you how to do this before, but really you're going to take a spoon and just lightly remove the gills like that. It's really light. It's going to be really easy. You can see they already fold over just like that. Make sure you wash off your mushrooms and everything. Next time you see it, they'll be de-gilled. These will be on skewers, and they'll be peppered with this. Those are going to go on, just the shrimp's going to go on the grill right now. Waiting on those. Going with the good dogs. There's the good dogs. And there's the logo. There's the mushrooms. De-gilled. Let them dry. And everything else. Cheese. Right, so there's the pink shrimp on the skewer. That's it with the Alabama Grill Made seasoning by McCormick. Love McCormick. We're going to go throw those on the grill right now. And basically, all of these on the grill. They're done when the shrimp is pretty much white. It's no longer translucent. You can't see through it. And you can kind of see right there. It's translucent. When it's nice and a solid white, or these might be a little bit pink. I've never done colossal pink shrimp before. Should be good to go. So I can't imagine this taking longer than 10, 15 Got the bad boy set for $3.50. Put these on the upper rack. Again, this should not take long. Not a long process. Chef Kleinbear wants to remind you that he's getting a haircut in 3 or 4 days. Kleinbear? Good stuff. Good stuff. Where's the logo at, Klein? Show them where the logo is. Show them where the logo is. Boom. Grilling with the good dogs. There's the good dogs. Tell me to come check on these. I just flipped them. It's not even 5 minutes, I don't think. You can still see it's not just quite ready, but I went ahead and flipped them because I bet you in a little bit they're going to be just fine. Good dogs. Baby Gee, you doing okay? Klein Bear? Went to the vet yesterday. They got updates on their vaccines. This is the first time Cork actually had an allergic reaction. So her face was a little puffy. It wasn't that bad. Gave her some Benadryl and she was right as rain, even though she slept all night like a log. Grilling with the good dogs. All right, Klein, what do you think, buddy? Let's check them out. Now, normally I wouldn't be ready to call those done. I mean, I think they are done. I would eat them. If I was serving them, I might wait a little bit longer. But I'm actually going to take them off because I'm going to chop them up, and they're just going to cook some more once they're mixed in with the mushroom. So let's get that. I'm going to rip them off. I'm going to go chop them up. Right, Klein? Right? Buddy. Bear. Good boy. They're about to go into the bowl with cheddar cheese, bacon, and green onion. These are ones I did not season, and I got to tell you, the taste of that pink colossal shrimp, it's really unique. It's really good. I like it a lot. I'll do some more of that for sure. Can't put my finger on it. It's really close to a lobster taste. Baby Gee, Klein Bear. Really close. Good. We're going to mix that up. We're going to add in some more of this. And we're going to take a good chunk of it and put it inside the caps, and then those are going on the grill. And once the cheese is melted, it's good to eat. Everything here is already good to eat. You can eat it right off the bat. So it's fantastic. Let's get it on there. I'm not going to put any liquid constituents, just a little bit more of the Grill Mates mixed in. You want your fine dining dogs, huh? Y'all want some shrimp? You want some shrimp? Get it, Klein Bear. Come on, Klein. Baby Gee. Good girl. All right. Good dogs, good dogs. That's it all mixed up right there. Let's start putting this bad boy on the mushrooms and get it on the grill. Grilling with the good dogs. I wish I had 4 mushrooms because I put the extra on the bread right there. Bread's gonna go on the top rack in the back. Hopefully that's the coldest area. He's gonna go in the front, like right there, right in the front row. Should cook fast. We'll see. What do you think, dogs? What y'all think? Let's get this going. Probably need both hands for this, so sorry. I'll show a video of it on the grill. There they are. Should be good. Let's give those ladies some time to get ready. Again, we're at 350. It's low right now because we got the grill open. I'm grilling with the good dogs. There's the stars of the show right there. Brains behind the operation. So the dragon and I got some stuff to do. I'm sorry if this is a short video, but she's been keeping me on a short leash. Got some stuff we got to do. The dogs are outside. The girls turning off. Here's the final product. Dang, it looks good. So good. It smells amazing. Nice and firm on the mushroom now. And we're just going to put some spinach on there. A little bit of ranch. She's good. She's good to go. Come on. Don't fall off now. Got to look good for the pictures. Guys, this has been Grilling with the Good Dogs. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm going to enjoy this meal. And got one I'm really excited about coming up soon. So see y'all again later. Grilling with the Good Dogs.